Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see how to create a thumbnail for YouTube videos. Okay, so let's get into this. So before we begin our main topic, so let's try to see what is thumbnail. Okay, so here you can see different pictures like 100 subs every day. Okay, so this is the main page, or this is the photo where you can upload whenever you are uploading any YouTube videos. So uploading a thumbnail is very important in order to get more number of views, and creating a catchy thumbnail will attract the viewers and you will get the more number of views and subscribers. Okay, so try to upload a thumbnail whenever you are creating a YouTube videos. Okay, so the best website in order to create a thumbnail is canva.com. So log into the Canva website. So here you can see various options like home, your projects, templates, share with you and all. Okay, so here you can type a YouTube thumbnail. So here you can select this particular option, YouTube thumbnail. Once you click on that, so here you can see various thumbnail. So you can select any one of the thumbnails. So here you can see different prototypes of thumbnail like minimalist, modern, simple, elegant, aesthetic, bold. And here also you can see some of the themes like YouTube, tutorial, pink, business, beauty and all. Okay, so there are two different types of thumbnails. One is a premium thumbnail and one is the another one is a free thumbnail. So if you want to go for a free thumbnail, you can just click on this. So here it will show all the options of the free available thumbnails, and if you want to more number of thumbnails with more other options, you can click on both free and pro. So whichever the thumbnail is pro or it's a premium one, it will show in this particular way. So here I will select only free option, so that here you can select any one of the thumbnail. So let's select this particular thumbnail, how to be a good programmer. Okay, so here you can edit your thumbnail here by can delete, and here also you can delete, and here you can see various other options like if you want to add some pictures here, you can click on this, or if you want to upload any media or any pic, you can select from your system or a desktop. And if you want to change the text, means you can click on this, you can select add heading, and you can also add a subheading. Whichever the type of font you want, you can change your font here with the style, and you can change the styles here, and also you can change the background of this thumbnail, guys. Once you click on this particular background, here you can see various types of background. So here you can select any one of the background, whichever the background you want, and you can make a thumbnail. Okay, so here you can see various other options if you want to create a catchy thumbnail. So try to explore this particular website so that you will try to get more number of ideas and options to create a catchy thumbnail, so that you can upload into your YouTube videos if you are a YouTuber. So that will definitely help you to get more number of views and more number of subscribers. Okay, so this is the best website, guys. Canva.com is one of the best website if you want to create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. So once you have created your thumbnail, guys, like here you can click on the share option, and here you click on the download option. Once you click on the download, here it will ask which type of media you want, whether you want in the form of JPG or .png, or you want in the format of .pdf or .svg, which is a premium version, or if you want in any other format, it will show. Okay, so once you are done with that, you can click on this download, so that you can get that particular thumbnail. So that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.